Here is Extreme Flight's latest retaining system for the stabilizer. This is the Extreme Flight Extra 378 inch, and it has this very nice metal slide clip here which slides over, engages, fully engages there, and holds the pins on the inside of the stabilizer into those holes. And you pull this out, slide it up to get it open, off comes the stabilizer, and you slide it back on, shut it, and that holds it in place. So here it's open. Now here are the two pins. They're the two pins. Now those two pins are going to go in those holes there. That's them there. And they will be held in behind the heads of the pins. So we'll slide that in place. Okay, we're sliding into place here. Those pins are going to slide into the open holes. Click, stabilizes all the way in place. Slide that back over those pins, and it shuts, positively shuts here. Now that stabilizer can't come off. And here, of course, is the elevator servo recess.